All right, welcome back, students. Now, in continuing, we're going to be looking at animal cells and plant cells, but more specifically, their similarities and their differences. So, just by looking at both cells, what similarities do you see popping out at you? Very good. If you mention that they both have cell membranes, that would be correct. So let's write that. They both have, and we're going to find that they have pretty much the same organelles or structure, so let's list them, all right? So both plant cells and animal cells have cell membrane. Anything else? That's correct. Cytoplasm. Anything else? They both have nuclei. And that's the plural for nucleus, nuclei. Anything else? A vacuole. Anything else? Endoplasmic reticulum. Very good. Is there anything else? You guessed it, ribosomes. Is there anything else? Let's look closely. Did you say mitochondrion? If you did, you'll be correct. Mitochondrion. Are we missing anything? Let's look. Yeah, I think we pretty much covered everything. Now, let's look at the differences. Well, let's start with the obvious. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. Why? Because they don't photosynthesize. So let's write that. And animal cells do not have chloroplast. They do not have chloroplast. Is there anything else that animal cells don't have? You guessed it, a cell wall. Okay, now, important to note, you will realize that both the animal cell and the plant cell, they both have vacuole, but they are significantly small. Well, the animal cell's vacuole is significantly smaller. That's why it's called a small vacuole. And we'll shed some more light into why it's so small, or why it's smaller than that of the plant cell. All right? So let's recap the differences and similarities between plant cells and animal cells. Where both plant cells and animal cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, a nucleus. They both have vacuoles. They both have endoplasmic reticulum. They both have ribosomes, and they both have mitochondrions. The differences are plant cells, they have chloroplast, but animal cells do not have chloroplast because they do not photosynthesize. All right? The animal cells do not have a cell wall. And those are the main differences and similarities between plant cells and an animal cell. I hope you learned something.